What's going on, everybody? It's Bennett with Skyway Equipment Rental and Sales. Parked behind me, I have a Yuchai U27 and a U35. Today we're going to be doing a detailed walk around of these machines, showing you guys what they're all about and kind of going over the brand. So Yuchai has been a excavator manufacturer since 1951. They're starting to really become popular here in the United States. We're lucky enough to have become the Yuchai of Tampa Bay dealer. So we're going to be stocking all of their machines down here in Tampa. All right, so I'm standing here with our Yuchai U35. It's a 9,425 pound excavator. It has a 27 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine in it. This machine is a closed cab machine. It has AC, heat, radio, Bluetooth, all the accessories that you would expect in a closed cab machine. These Yuchais have a really cool feature to them. You can actually take two bolts off from underneath right here in the cab and jack the whole cab up. So this whole cab will hydraulically come up, which is really cool for maintenance items. You can work around the whole entire engine, which is really unique. They have a quick disconnect bucket that takes a lever to pop it down. Uncurl from the bucket, grab your next bucket or attachment, curl into it, and you're good. So it's really simple to change buckets, change platforms if you want to put a different attachment or whatever. It's very simple, really easy. You don't have to get different tools. You just got to have the bar that comes standard in the machine, pop it down, and you're good. So I'm sitting inside our U35 Yuchai excavator. This is a closed cab machine, so that means it has heating, AC, radio, Bluetooth. It has a digital screen. It pretty much does everything you would want inside a closed cab machine. If you're sitting in the machine working all day, digging, whatever, this is the type of machine you'd want. You have all the comforts to really enjoy your time working in this machine, keep you comfortable on those hot days, or if you're up north in the cold winter. So now I'm standing outside of our Yuchai U27. This is a 6,000 pound machine. It has a 19.5 horsepower Yanmar engine. If you see kind of a trend here, Yuchai uses all the big name manufacturer engines, and a lot of other parts on these machines are things you would find on a deer, a cat, a bobcat. This is an open station machine. It has a bucket and a thumb standard on it. So this is great if you're, again, in the rental market. If you're you know, trying to save a little bit of money, this might be the option to go. All right, guys, so I'm sitting inside our U27 right now. This machine is about as simple as they can come. It has just the normal joystick controls. You can operate it with your feet or your hand. It has a swinging boom. It has a thumb. It has a color LCD display. It has your throttle, your blade controls over here. This is just a very basic and simple machine to use. If you're buying one to rent it out, if you're buying one to leave on a job site for a while, this is perfect. You don't have all the accessories. This will just get the work done and do a good job. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are in the market for a new excavator, give us a call. Come check one of these machines out, test drive one. You're gonna be just like me. I was extremely impressed when I got inside one of these machines and operated it. Coming from a company who buys name brand, large manufactured piece of equipment, I can truly say that these machines exceeded my expectation. I would add these to my rental fleet. We are going to be adding these to our rental fleet. So yeah, if you're in the market, give us a call, shoot us a text, shoot us a email, whatever, however you want to get a hold of us, sales@skywayequipment.net. Until the end of April, we're gonna be doing $1,000 off either of these machines. So if you're in the market, give us a call. It has a 5-year, 5,000-hour warranty on these machines, parts and labor. The parts are stocked in the United States, which is awesome. You don't have to wait or try to find source parts. We can get the parts overnighted to you pretty much anywhere in the United States. So if you're in the market, reach out. Let's get you one of these machines. Come play with one. We'll see you guys in the next video.